गुड इवनिंग, थोड़ी सी नाइट सी हो गई है पर इवनिंग से ही। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग। मैं और मेरा एक दोस्त एक बार बनारस का आज बहुत जिक्र हो रहा है, फिर बनारस आ गया। मैं और मेरा एक दोस्त बनारस गए थे एक स्क्रिप्ट लिखने। तो मैं बनारस का रहने वाला हूँ, तो मैं उसको वहाँ घुमा रहा था और मैं शाम को उसको बोटिंग कराने ले गया। तो बोट पर उसने मुझे एक कहानी सुनाई जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी और मैंने सोचा कि ये फिल्म बनाते हैं। फिर हम लौट के बॉम्बे आए और कोशिश करते रहे कि वो फिल्म बनाएंगे। एक सवाल जो ज़्यादातर जगहों पे सुनने को मिला, मैं चाहता हूँ आपसे शेयर करना, कि अक्सर मुझसे पूछा जाता था कि माधुरी, जूही और उस और में एक मेल हीरो का नाम पूछा जाता था और मैंने सबसे कहा कि भाई यही हीरो है और यही विलेन है। तो शौमिक सेन जिन्होंने इस कहानी को मुझे सुनाया था, जिन्होंने इस खूबसूरत फिल्म को बनाया, द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द फिल्म, द म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर ऑफ द फिल्म and the writer of the film, I would like to introduce him to you. Mr. Shomik Sen, please.
It's been an absolute pleasure working in Gulab Gang and to have finally made this film. But more than that, it's a huge pressure, obviously putting together two of the greatest icons that we've all, seen over the years. And had it not been for the support of the man standing on my right, I don't know what would have happened. I mean, there's obviously a reason why people are very skeptical when a first-time debutant director comes to make a film. Ki, "Arey yaar, pata nahi kya bana." And then, of course, you have a pillar of strength like him next to you in all sorts of situations when there was varied skepticism about an all-women's action masala film with a no male actor. You can say no male actor, right? So yeah. And it would not have been possible without the kind of help that I've got across board with all my other actors who've been absolutely fantastic to work with. My crew, Sarojji, my team. I'd really like to mention Jiggy, wherever you are, man. Kahan hai tu? My associate director. He's a brother that who I said on the first time that I met him is, "Are you vegetarian?" And he said no. That's the day that we bonded. And Sagar and Alphonse, I don't know if he's managed to reach, and John, who's been my co-collaborator and my music producer. I've done the music myself, which is another. People say, "Hey, director, music khud karta hai, acha." So anyway, pagal hai, Bengali hai. So all of that, and we've gone through all of that, and so today here we are, and really, really nice to hear 25 lakh. Viewers in in like 7 days in a week, and but this is just the beginning, and we really need all the more support. It's not a traditional blockbuster, if I may call it that. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for coming.
One minor detail, actually quite major, that I missed out. I didn't miss out actually. I kept it for a little later. When I heard that script in Banaras on that boat, I loved the script, but I wasn't too sure whether it was too wise to go ahead and make a film with an entire female cast. Sorry, ladies, but I did think like that. And then I requested Shomik to go meet my friend, another friend of mine, to seek an opinion. And he heard the script and he called me from the cafe that they met in, and he said, "Are you mad? How can you have second thoughts on this? This is a fantastic script." He is the associate producer of the film, Mushtaq Sheikh, my friend, my brother. Can I call him?
Thank you. Good evening. Thank you for coming and making this occasion very special for us. It's a special film, and you'll have braved the cold wave to reach here. Without any delay, we've come here today for the release of the single Dheemi Dheemi, and who better
Thank you. At least you recognize my name. Thank you very much for coming and making this occasion memorable. Now we should start our magic.